Hi everyone! In this video, we will be talking about how we can use social media to develop a connected learning community within our workplace. The first step towards this goal is to understand what it means to be a connected learner. According to Beach and Hall, connected learners continuously improve their professional practice, model lifelong learning, and exhibit leadership in their school and professional community by promoting and demonstrating the effective use of digital tools and resources. Connected learners come together to build a connected learning community by collaborating online, using social media to interact with colleagues around the globe, engage in conversations in safe online spaces, and bring what they learn online back to their classrooms, schools, and districts. Let's take a quick look at who our own community consists of. Jubilee Harlingen teachers and administration working towards a shared goal of providing students and teachers the resources and support they need to be successful throughout the COVID-19 distance learning school year. The main purpose of our learning community will be to help teachers support each other. In order to build our learning community in the workplace, we will be using social media in order to collaborate, build and strengthen relationships, and share best practices, activities, and knowledge on digital resources and tools to enhance and support student engagement and learning. Social media is more than a way to stay updated with the lives of our families and friends. It can be used in beneficial ways for us teachers to become connected learners. It provides us with networking opportunities and gives us access to new resources and ideas from our online colleagues. We will build relationships online by networking with other educators and developing a personal learning network with each other and online colleagues. Through the use of social media, we will foster a culture of collaboration within our own workplace by commenting and contributing to each other's posts and shared posts, which will include topics such as best practices, tips and tricks, and activities that work for us and that may work for others. Building relationships online by networking with other educators and developing a personal learning network with each other as well as our online colleagues. The social media we will be focusing on and using to help shape our learning community will be Twitter. Twitter is a social networking, news, and microblogging site that allows you to send out 280-character messages called tweets. Tweets can also contain up to 4 photos, a video, or a GIF. One of Twitter's most appealing features is the hashtag. Twitter will help us to become connected learners by allowing us to use this feature to search for relevant teaching topics, news, and through this, we can connect with others in order to form our personal learning networks. Twitter also contains the key feature of retweeting. By using the retweet feature, users can repost someone's tweet to their own followers to see. The first step toward building a connected learning community will be to build trust between each other and work on building positive relationships in person and online. Because Twitter only uses 280 characters, it is more appealing for those who may not be as open to sharing to start with microblogging or simply retweeting in order to contribute to the learning community. By using social media to expand our knowledge, making us connected learners, and by sharing valuable findings with our workplace learning community, we take the step toward evolving into a learning community. We will keep the momentum going in our community by setting short-term goals for our connected learning community and by incorporating an appreciative inquiry strategy for tackling these goals. This strategy will help by everyone being able to contribute to a shared vision of what the preferred future will be and how we will get there together. Getting people adapted to their roles in the learning community can only happen after trust has been established. It is easier for people to take on responsibility and leadership when they know they have support. It is necessary to stress that leadership must come from everybody in the community and that everyone's opinions and experiences are valid and valued. The steps we will need to take to ensure our learning community is upheld would be to constantly evaluate the needs of our school and learning community and make sure everyone's voice is heard and valued. It is also imperative to maintain positive relationships and to stress the importance of the learning community to teachers that might be new to the school. A minor barrier that could be foreseen with Twitter as our learning community platform is that following too many people or people who post too much may create clutter. As a community, we should try and focus on following people or hashtags that provide insight on topics similar to whatever our short-term goal may be at the moment. A major barrier to be aware of is that not everybody may be comfortable with social media or with sharing. The main way we can overcome any barrier as a community is to take it step by step and make sure we have a strong foundation in regards to collegial relationships and trust with one another. Only then will we truly become a connected learning community.